I got it. I'm gonna make some textured paste. Let's go. Something new, yeah. Something new, yeah. Something new, yeah. Like a something new. Alright, guys, here we go. So, I started off with some Elmer's glue, some Plaster de Paris, and then some white Blanco, that chalked version. I figured the chalk might give me some extra texture. I'm not sure if it did or it didn't, really, because I haven't tested it out. So, anyway, I used a simple cup, and then I used the line that was on the cup to get my ratio. So I'm going to fill my white paint to that line, try to get as much as I can in, and I'm going to do the same with the Elmer's glue in a bit. Doing the scoops. And then the same thing with the Elmer's glue. Go ahead and fill it up to that line. And then the same thing. Do the scoops. All right, and then we're going to open up that mummy mouth right here. Ugh. When you're doing this, try to do it in a ventilated area or even outside. I was being a bad example, really. I was in some ventilated room, but still was a room and it got in the air. And anyway, use some PPE, use some face mask or whatever you need. Just be precautious. I bit the bullet. I was recording. Anyway, it's all in there, the ratio. I ended up adding a little more, but go ahead. Toil, trouble, bubble. There it is. Fixing and mixing. Now, it was a little thin for me, so I ended up adding some more plaster to thicken it up. And I really wanted it for the project that I had in mind. And then I ended up making the decision to add some sand into the mix. And that was courtesy of the Dungeon Mattster. So, big shout out to him. Check out his YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it in the link below. All right, so then I decided to test it out on some material to see what happens to it and how I'm going to ultimately move in my craft or in the next couple of videos pretty much. So I tested it on some XPS. I tested it out on some Dollar Tree foam board. So thanks, Jordan, for letting me know about that. And it's $1, y'all. You know, if you're in a ritzy place, it may be $2. But it's still not what you're going to get at Michael's or anything for like $5, $6 a board. Nah, scratch that, man. You get 4 boards for $2. Anyway, I'm about to butcher the math, but you know what I'm doing. All right, so cleaning it up. I got all the material. I got the texture paste on all 3. And then I let it cure for 24 hours. And then with the bucket of it, I went ahead and put some saran wrap. Now, I trimmed off a little so that I didn't have a lot of access because it gets funky. But went ahead tight, closed it up, and that's the organic strawberry stony field. All right, so cure it up. Now, the XPS, I don't know if you saw it there, but it kind of bowed it a bit. And this one, it was nice and thin, crusty. Look at that. And then this one curled up like it was under the bed. All right, guys, that's it. So thank you for watching. And I'm going to move forward with that chipboard. I'm pretty happy with that because it's the thinnest. So I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.